Today is Thursday, July 4th. Yes, it's the 4th of July today. I'm in the lobby of my hotel right now. By the way, the hotel I'm staying at is called Marriott Newport Coast Villa. We're staying here for like 2 nights and 3 days. And then we're gonna go see the fireworks at nighttime. It's gonna be really cool.
All right, for heat number 3.
Oh yeah, let's see how we look. Hey, matching sunglasses.
Is it good?
Look at the moon! Look at the moon!
Wow.
It's so small!
Thanks. It's about 8:57 p.m. right now, and we're waiting for about, I think, 2 to 3 more minutes. It should be starting. There's gonna be fireworks all in this air. It's gonna be covered in fireworks.